With the future of disruptive tech having come a long way, I believe we're at an age where we have just witnessed um, disruptive tech being turbocharged. This is in particular with the launch of ChatGPT. Here I'm going to show you just an example of the capability of this platform. So ChatGPT, just for history sake, is a product by OpenAI. OpenAI is like an open source platform for innovators and software engineers and other people who want to learn about code and computer languages, where they converge and learn from each other without charge, like it's open source. And so when we see the capabilities of Chat GPT, and I think there are people who are thinking about how this is going to affect blue chip companies like Google, whose um, uh, main revenue source is advertisements and uses the ability of their search engines to maintain leadership in this information age. But with ChatGPT, um, all that could go away. The Google's leadership will go away because I hear talk of ChatGPT um, partnering with Bing, and these the potential of this platform is enormous. So all you have to do is like go to openai.com, and then here you can click try ChatGPT, and it will bring you to a very simple and user-friendly platform here, and you have to type your question here. So in this case, um, you can type any question, but most people have been asking ChatGPT about what coding, what languages they could help to, break through some of their coding work. And I'm also going to do the same. So I've been working on a project, and I'm using a method called differences, which tries to remove the correlation causality dynamics. So it helps to bring causality where people think there are correlations. So I'm going to try to ask ChatGPT how you can do this using R and see what it brings. So how can so you can notice that it starts with defining what the difference is, and it goes into very detailed and elaborate coding of what to look for. Um, and it kind of just gives me the code, how it begins from the basics, how you can save the data on R, you can have a tree of treatment control group, and then how you can run the model itself. And then it goes on to describe and says, in this example, the LM function is just to fit a linear model to the data with outcome as the response variable and group and time as the explanatory variables. And then it says, I hope this helps. Let me know if there's anything else, I think. Um, wow, wow, I'm telling you, I think this is a disruptor for sure. I cannot wait to see what other platforms, will be built on top of this, and what other products will eventually come out of this. But I'm kind of scared a little bit of how many jobs this might replace, and what the future will look like, when eventually this goes mainstream. Thank you.